Hello, lovely people of the interwebs. How you doing? How you doing? How is you doing? I know I'm exposing the tragedy that are my nails. Do not judge me.
Every Christmas, all I want for Christmas, all I want for Christmas is you.
Well, you're wondering why I have this nail set up. No, I'm not gonna do my nails because like I said, this is my coping mechanism. Okay, I chew the shit out of my nails. It is embarrassing. I understand. I'm actually ashamed of doing this, and I might delete this clip. So we'll see what happens in editing. Okay. I am here today to show you all this wonderful mask that I have created, and it will change it will change your life. I promise you that 1,000 times yes, it'll change your life. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, numero uno, bam. This is the Aztec Indian healing clay. This thing will change your life. I got this at my local beauty supply store for about $12.99. Okay, they're the plug. Go to the hood. Thank you. That's it. All right. So we're gonna put that to the side, and hopefully it don't roll off of my little thingy here. Okay. I'm trying to be like all the little fancy YouTubers, but you know, on a budget. Okay. The second thing, numero dos, all right, is your liquid. You're gonna need some rose water. You can just get rose water. You don't have to have the one with glycerin, but since I have extra of this is the one that we're gonna use today. So boom, rose water and glycerin. This, my friends, I got at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Okay, just saying. Or you can get it from the online store, iHerb. You can get it from Amazon, but I'm not giving Jeff Bezos any more of my money, so that's neither here or there. Just saying. Boom, rose water. The next ingredient that you're gonna need is, boom, some matcha green tea, okay? Kirkland is my jam. Costco is my best friend. Okay, get you some green tea. Matcha, you want all the leaves, okay? Green tea, the plug. Is that in the frame? Ooh, yes. Wow, this is about to be the thumbnail or whatever. Oh, okay, numero cuatro. Oh my gosh, Rachel, these nails look terrible. Number 4. Okay, 4. Oh, hold on. I could just do it this way. Why am I showing y'all my nails? Okay, number 4. All right. Hey. Okay, number 4, you're going to need your essential oils. Now, this is where the real medicine comes in, okay? The real good stuff, okay? That's all I'm saying. The real stuff that's going to make this your mask is the essential oils, and the ones that I love to use are from the brand Woolsey's, and today we're going to be using lemon oil and tea tree oil, okay? And it is all from the brand, okay, focus, hey, there it is, lemon oil and tea tree oil, lemon oil, tea tree oil, lemon oil, and the tea tree oil will mix together and make you a mask that you'll like. Okay, if you know where that's from, you know. All right. Ooh, this is cute. Look at the little layout. Look at me being a little YouTuber or whatever. Like, all right. And the next couple of things are the tools that you'll need to mix all of this stuff and make it all good and whatnot. You're just gonna need an empty container, and I use this to store my masks. You'll need a pair of scissors, okay, to cut open your green tea. And you'll need a plastic utensil. I have no spoons, so I'm using a fork. And you want to make sure that it's plastic because the Aztec clay will react with anything that's metal. So get you a plastic fork or a plastic spoon. If you want, go to Chipotle, okay? Listen, this is Chipotle stories, okay? I go to Chipotle and I get all of the plastic forks in the thing. I am that person because, listen, I don't believe in doing dishes. I believe in buying a plastic fork, throwing it in the recycle, calling it a day. Okay? Okay. All right, so we're gonna start off with our container. You're gonna want to open this bad boy up, you know what I'm saying? Something like this, okay? And then the first thing we're gonna do is add in our Aztec healing clay. So I basically kind of eyeball this. I don't like to do the most because this, I like to make it last, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just take my fork and just kind of pour a little bit in there. This is really the main ingredient, and so it's gonna be what's in here the most, okay? That should be good. All right. The next thing that we're gonna go ahead and add is our green tea. Okay, Kirkland, sponsor me. Go to Costco too much for them not to. No, let me stop. All right, and this is what the Kirkland green tea bags look like. So you can see all of the matcha and all of the green tea in there. So what we are going to do is snip, 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 snip. And just pour all of that into our mixture. So now we're just gonna mix all of that together. Yes. Okay, let's get rid of that thing. All right, and so the next thing we're gonna do is add in our liquid, our rose water. This again is rose water and glycerin. Now sometimes I add aloe vera juice as well. It just depends on what my mood is, but usually I use a lot of rose water because rose water is like my favorite water. So it's lit. And I just add almost like 1 part to the 2 parts of the powder, just so that, because you want this to be a nice thick paste. Yes, thick with 2 C's. Or do people say 3 C's? You want this thick with as many C's as possible, okay? All right, and we're just gonna use that fork to whisk it like you whisk an egg. Okay. If it ain't making that sound, it ain't good. Halle birds. How you doing, honey? Yes. And it's nice and thick. And now that we've mixed it up a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and add in our essential oils. I love lemon oil because it has a lot of brightening properties. Not only is it brightening, it's very nourishing for the skin, and it's gonna treat any kind of dullness in the skin. So we're gonna add a couple of drops of that. Just about 2 drops, because this is an essential oil and so it's highly concentrated, and if you have sensitive skin, you really want to be careful with it because it will burn your skin, okay? All right, and then I add in tea tree oil because, again, tea tree is also very nourishing for the skin, but even though, and as it's nourishing, it's also very antibacterial. And so what you'll find in tea tree oil is that it will really help target any acne problems, any things with pollution, that kind of stuff. And so especially if you're a person like me that works outside or just has acne prone skin, you want to be sure that you're adding in tea tree oil into your mask. Add a couple of drops of that, probably about 4 drops of the tea tree, just because, again, My skin has been going through it. We're not going to talk about it, okay? Don't give the devil no excuse and don't give him no room. All right? My skin will flourish in the name of Jesus. Somebody say amen.
Amen.
I didn't hear you in the back.
Amen.
All right. All right. Okay, so this texture is kind of looking like grits. We want it just a little bit smoother. So I'm just gonna spray into here because I don't want to add in too much liquid. Maybe a couple of sprays of the rose water and glycerin. There we go. There it is. How dare you? How dare you just go on the sides? Like, I'm trying to make a music video. Oh God, have mercy. All right, so this is the kind of consistency that you want. You want it to be kind of like, if you've ever made paper mache, you know, okay? So it looks nice and creamy. It looks good. And I'm telling you, this is the secret to beautiful skin. I promise you that. If you want and your skin is a little bit more sensitive, definitely add in some aloe vera water, or you can even take the gel from the aloe vera plant and add in just a little bit in here. Now this thing should last you up to about a week and a half. I like to use it maybe 1 to 3 days apart just because it is very powerful and you can feel it working almost instantaneously. So yeah, you want to be careful with this, especially if you have sensitive skin. And what I love about it is that when I'm done, all I have to do is close up the lid and I'm good to go. So all I'm saying is get you some of these products, whip it up the way your skin needs to, and thank me later. All right, y'all. I love you guys. Enjoy your day. If you want to see this a mask in action, definitely check up in the cards. Okay, you know what I'm saying? But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe down below. Turn on post notifications because, you know, I'm like this big on YouTube. Okay, and I want to make sure that you're notified. You get what I'm saying? Ignore the cut, please. Do not judge me and don't ask me no questions. I have anxiety. This is my coping mechanism, okay? Anyway, like I said, make sure you subscribe down below, like this video, share with that friend. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. God bless you, and I hope you felt that in your soul. Bye! Again, don't judge my nails. Thank you. Thank you very much. Peace.